How to buy Litecoin LTC? To buy Litecoin LTC, start by choosing a cryptocurrency exchange or app that supports Litecoin, such as Venmo, PayPal, or Litecoin-specific wallets like Lite Wallet. If you plan to use Litecoin for payments, a payment app or a Litecoin-specific wallet may suffice. But for investment purposes, a crypto exchange is ideal due to features like security and competitive fees. Ensure the exchange offers Litecoin and compare options based on fees, security, and simplicity. Once you've chosen an exchange or app, fund your account by linking a bank account or debit card. Then, purchase Litecoin by entering its ticker, LTC, and specifying the amount you wish to buy. After purchase, you can store Litecoin in built-in wallets on exchanges, hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for offline security, paper wallets with printed keys, or hot wallets on mobile or desktop apps like Edge, Mobi, or Exodus. Offline storage options like hardware or paper wallets provide better security against hacking, while online wallets offer easier access and convenience.